Alright guys, I am back to do a cooking video. Oh, yeah. I have to go and find a mitt first. Ah, yes, I know. Alright. And this cooking video is based off of pizza. Pizzas you can buy normally at the store. Okay. I'm going to be judging pizzas as I cook them. Now these are just regular cheese pizza, and they're just round ones. They're not square ones. Okay, there's no pepperoni or veggies on these pizzas. Although I do like that, but not all veggies. Okay, but anyways. Now the first one I'm going to show you here is DiGiorno. Okay. This is for cheese DiGiorno with cheese in the crust. Okay, and it's circular. It is a little deep dish like, but it's not entirely. Okay, this is Celeste. Okay, Celeste has a lot of different kinds actually. We all know Celeste, don't we? I hope we do. Okay, 4 cheese Celeste. This is regular Big Y. Alright. Regular cheese. And this is Tony's. Okay, yes, Tony's also does pizza. He doesn't just do Hot Pockets. Alright. Now, I'm going to set this on the table. I'm going to set the camera on the table right now. Alright, yeah, it's a little dark in the room, I know. Let's put some light on. If I can get it on. Now, I had to cook these pieces for around 10 to 14 minutes, all on the same heat, which can be very challenging because, well, some of them, you know, they just said, okay, well, you could cook one, like, you know, at 400 for, like, I don't know, like 14 to 18 minutes or something like that. But then, like, you know, if you put it on a higher heat, you know, it doesn't take so long to cook. Alright. Yes, these pizzas are going to look very, very yummy. In about 2 minutes, actually I'm about to shut off this oven. I put the oven on for 400 and I waited about, let's see, I think it was like 16 to 18 minutes for the DiGiorno. Okay, because of the stuffed crust. So I had to put in the DiGiorno earlier than all the others. And also it had a thicker crust. Yeah, all the others pretty much started like, they only needed like 10 to 12 minutes. I mean, they are pretty much done. So if you just wait it out for like another minute, maybe a minute and a half. I'm going to have all the others out so I can taste test them. Alright, also, yeah, I just grabbed the next one out. I'm not sure which one this one is. I don't know. Yeah, I keep on misplacing the mitt. Bad me, huh? Okay, this is definitely Big Wise. I had Big Wise. That one. And this should be Celeste. Or Tony's. I'm gonna get a spatula out so I can spatula these onto a plate at least. Sorry, this takes a little longer than usual. It just doesn't usually take me this long. It can be a little difficult. Yes, I'm biting the pizza. I'm gonna try and bring the camera in here. So you guys can see the nice hot pizzas. Alright. That one, I think. This is definitely the Big Wise. I know this one's the Big Wise. I think this one's Tony's. So this one must be Celeste. And then this one over here is DiGiorno's. Alright. Alright. I know I'm getting to it. It's taking me a while. Ah! Gosh, this camera. I hate this camera. Sometimes I hate this camera, you know? Alright, but I got part of this pizza off of this tin foil. Can just be a pain in the rear sometimes. Oh, I almost got it. Oh, alright. Oh, yeah. Oh. Cool. Alright, awesome. Alright, so I'm going to bring this to the table. I'm going to bring actually all these pizzas to the table. Big glass table. I'm going to be doing this review a little differently this time. Alright. Ah, there's the other mitt. I didn't even see that. That's good. I don't know how hot this one is. This one I'm not happy. Too hot. Keep on it. Okay, how about this one? It was pretty good. Unfortunately, the calorie intake of all these pizzas is going to really hurt me. However, I'm going to get a great review out of it. Going to hurt my calorie intake. Yeah, a lot of these pizzas are really high calorie intake, so you don't want to eat 4 of them like I'm eating here. Oh, actually, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be eating a few bites to give you some kind of gist. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do before I even do that, okay, I have a pad here. Alright. And I have a pen. I'm going to write down the names of all these pizzas because this one's Big Wise. I'm going to write Big Wise down here on this. And now you can't see it. Big Wise pizza. I'm just gonna put the word pizza on the top here, just to Big Wise, and then we got DiGiorno. know how you actually spell that. Oh well. Then we have, what's this one? This one. Oh, that's right. I keep on forgetting about Tony's. And then we have Celeste. Tony's and then Celeste. And I'm gonna have the same list tomorrow. Okay, Tony's and Celeste. Okay, and these are gonna all be individual grades. Alright. Now you guys can see the pizza for yourself. Yum, yum, yum. Alright. Alright, now this is Big Y's. Alright, I'm about to take a few bites of Big Y's. It's rather actually still pretty hot. It's not bad. I kind of like Big Y's actually. I'm gonna take one more bite. I'm sorry. You can see how I kind of chewed into that. Alright. I think I'm going to give Big Y's a final grade of 6.5. Alright. It's really weak on the cheese. But, I mean, even though it's weak on the cheese, it's still pretty damn good. Because there's enough sauce that complements the cheese on the pizza. And if you look all around, I mean, the crust, I mean, there's really almost no crust. I mean, I don't have a problem with that either, actually. I'd rather more places do that. You know, that don't really, I mean, unless you're going to do something like DiGiorno over here. You know, and put cheese in the crust, which is cool. Unless you have like some kind of garlic dipping sauce or something like that. I don't really like the whole dryness. Alright, so let's move on to Celeste because I don't want to take a lot of time for this video. I don't want it to be any more than 20 minutes. Okay, this is Celeste pizza. Alright, I'm gonna... Wow. I took 2 bites into Celeste and I already said wow. If you're getting the wow out of me from Celeste, I mean, that's good news. I'm kind of a hard person to really wow, too. I mean, how many times have any of you ever heard me say the word wow in a good way? Celeste is actually very good. I have to say that for a small pizza, that's not that bad. It has like the perfect amount of cheese. I mean, to me, I mean, it's not like cheapo Big One. Look at all the spots you can see on the pizza. That looks like they could have fillers there. Alright, so I think the score of Celeste, believe it or not, is going to be an 8. Yes, a score of 8, which is really good. This is out of 10. Okay. Alright, so I took a few bites of that. Now, we're going to move on. I'm going to push this plate aside. Okay, and this is Tony's. I do believe this is Tony's Pizza. I don't know how good it is. Ooh, let's peel away the tinfoil. Okay. Mmm. Wow. Mmm. It's not bad, but if this is Tony's, it has a little spice to it. I mean, a little, like very, very little, but it's enough to get a little spice. Well, then I'm not that fond. It's just a little spicy, and it's not bad. But I don't think it's that. I don't think it's really better than Celeste. So I'm gonna give it a 7.8. I really like Celeste so far, the best so far, guys. Okay. Alright, so now, I mean, I really want, like I said, I don't want to make this too long of a video. Okay. Now, this is DiGiorno. How many of you guys have actually ever eaten DiGiorno before? Well, you're about to find out how good DiGiorno actually is from me. The cheese and the crust really, I mean, maybe it's just not melted. I don't know. Well, I mean, it's not that bad, actually, in DiGiorno, but actually, I'm going to tell you guys the truth about DiGiorno. It gets an 8.5. This is actually the best out of them all. I mean, yeah, it's true, there's a lot of breading, okay, on the edge. But there's just so much cheese, and I love it when they put a lot of cheese on. Okay, because I am a cheese lover. I'm a very big cheese lover. So I'm giving this an 8.5. I think DiGiorno is actually better than Celeste. Alright, I just wanted to say, guys, thank you for watching this video, and there are going to be more videos, which is why I'm writing this down. Okay, this is just the first of, I think it's going to be 3 or 4 pizza videos. Excuse me. Okay, so I thank you guys for watching this video.